AK Custom Homes, introducing our new line of luxury living.
AK Custom Homes is proud to present our newest line of luxury living, 2044 North Fremont in the heart of Lincoln Park.
This home offers meticulously fine custom details, high-end finishes, and a sophisticated architectural design which complements its open and gracious floor plan. The home is situated on 4 levels of luxury with 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 powder rooms, and 3 distinct outdoor spaces including an urban-like retreat penthouse deck with a veranda and a lavishly designed backyard perfect for entertaining.
On the way now. We been on the stage in our playground. Not enough you change on the way down. Me, I go on is the 80 days now.